Hello everyone, welcome to Java Is. Today I will show you how to install Java 17 on Ubuntu operating system. So let us start. To install Java 17, open terminal. Type Java version. Here you can see Java not found. It means Java is not installed. So let us start to install jdk17. Type sudo add-apt-repository ppa linuxuprising /java. Hit enter. Type password. And don't worry about these commands. I put them in the video description. Okay. Hit enter to continue. Wait for a few seconds. Done. Now type sudo apt install oracle java 17 installed. Hit enter. It is installing Java. Type yes, why. It takes a few time. Wait for complete installation. Click on tab. Click on OK. Tab yes. It depends on your internet speed to download the Java. Here you can see download done. Clear. Now our Java 17 has been installed. To check it is installed or not, type Java version. Hit enter. Here you can see Java 17 is installed. So that's all in this video, and thank you so much for watching it.